People with anxiety don't need silence, they need rhythm. Anxiety is often the body stuck in fight or flight. Your heart races, your breathing shortens, and your mind follows. Sound gives your nervous system something predictable to follow. A tone that doesn't demand anything. You don't have to concentrate, you don't have to stop thinking. Your body does the work for you. This is why bowls can help. Not by forcing calm, but by offering rhythm. Save this for anxious moments and follow for more gentle guidance.